Hello everyone. Today I will be speaking about an important economic problem in India, which is youth unemployment. India has one of the largest youth populations in the world, and this should ideally be a big advantage for the country's growth and development. However, in reality, a large number of young people are unable to find suitable jobs. Youth unemployment refers to a situation where educated and willing individuals are not able to get employment opportunities. Today, even after completing degrees, many students struggle to find jobs, and some end up working in roles that do not match their qualifications or skills. For example, we often see graduates working in jobs that do not require their level of education, while others remain unemployed for long periods. This clearly shows that the problem is not just the lack of jobs, but also the lack of appropriate and quality jobs. There are several reasons behind this issue. First, the education system in India focuses more on theoretical knowledge rather than the practical skills. So, students are often not prepared for real world job requirements. Second, there is a major skill gap where the skills required by the companies do not match the skills that students actually have when they graduate. Third, job creation is not growing fast enough to match the increasing population, which creates intense competition in the job market. In addition to this, many young people prefer only certain types of jobs, especially government jobs, which further increases pressure and limits opportunities. This problem has serious effects on both individuals as well as the economy. Unemployment leads to financial instability for individuals and their families, making it difficult to maintain a good standard of living. It also increases poverty and inequality in society. Moreover, young people may feel stressed, frustrated, and demotivated when they are unable to find jobs even after putting in effort and education. In some cases, long term unemployment can even lead to social problems such as increased crime rates or migration to other cities or countries in search of better opportunities. To solve this problem, several important steps can be taken. First, the education system should be improved by focusing more on skill based learning, practical training, and industry exposure so that students become job ready. Secondly, the skill development program should be promoted and made more accessible so that the young people can learn relevant and in demand skills. Third, the government can also encourage startups and entrepreneurship, which can create more employment opportunities and reduce dependence on the traditional jobs. Also, initiatives that support small businesses and new industries can help in generating jobs. At the same time, awareness about different career options should be increased so that the students they do not limit themselves to only a few sectors. However, there are some challenges in implementing these solutions. For example, there is a lack of proper infrastructure and resources in some areas, especially in the rural regions. Policy implementation can also be slow, and sometimes people are not fully aware of the opportunities that are available to them. Because of these challenges, progress may take time. In conclusion, we can say that youth unemployment is a major challenge for India, but it can also become an opportunity if it is handled properly. With the right policies, better education, and focus on skill development, India can convert its large youth population into a strong and productive workforce, which will help in achieving long term economic growth and development.